iPhone 16 Pro model to get biggest battery capacity jump. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are rumored to feature bigger battery capacities compared to previous generation models, but it looks like the smaller iPhone 16 Pro device could see the biggest improvement, according to new details. Chinese Weibo-based leaker Instant Digital today posted the mAh figures for the iPhone 16 Pro, 3,577 mAh, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, 4,676 mAh, with only the larger model capacity lining up with previous leaked figures. The mAh is a measure of battery capacity, or the amount of electric charge that a battery can store. The higher the mAh rating of a battery, the more charge it can hold, and the longer it can power a device. The following table shows the battery capacity comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro models and iPhone 16 Pro models. The change in capacity of the iPhone 16 Pro over the previous Pro model shows the most marked difference, with an over 9% increase, 303 mAh. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, while not as dramatic as its smaller sibling, gets an over 5% increase, 254 mAh. Combined with efficiency improvements, the increases should see both devices offer more sustained real-world usage on a single charge. According to one rumor, this year's iPhone 16 Pro Max will boast a 30-hour-plus battery life, compared to 29 hours for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Not only that, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to use stacked battery technology for increased energy density and prolonged lifespan. 5 biggest changes rumored for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both devices are also rumored to support 40W wired fast charging and 20W MagSafe charging. For comparison, iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models are capable of up to 27W peak charging speeds with an appropriate USB-C power adapter, while official MagSafe chargers from Apple and authorized third parties can wirelessly charge the iPhone 15 models at up to 15W.